So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save a document as a set format in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just select the document that we want to save. Then go into the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Then tap on Share and Export. Then tap on Save As. Here we have a few formats from which we can select, either from Word, PDF, Open Document format, web page, etc. We just select one and then tap on OK. It's going to be saved on our device. And yeah, then we can preview it, how it looks, and then tap on the download button to download it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.